Hello guys, and welcome to the very first episode of our JAMB Commerce tutorials. All right, and of course, this is brought to you by the one and only O3SCHOOLS. It's an O3SCHOOLS JAMB app. All right, so it is all you need to succeed in your exam. It's a CBT practice app, and your exam is a JAMB CBT exam. All right, so if you want to do well in JAMB CBT exam, you need a good JAMB CBT app like the O3SCHOOLS app. It has all the past questions for all subjects in one app. We'll talk about the app soon, but of course today we're going to, so that it do not take so much time, I'm going to look at the topic, Introduction to Commerce. All right, we're going to see what commerce is. And of course, in the course of this our tutorials, we're going to be breaking the topics down exactly the way JAMB has broken it down in its syllabus, so that it does not bore you. And of course, you are able to grasp enough value from whatever you are learning. All right, so please do not forget to like this video. Liking this video will make other students to find this video easily. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribing to this channel will help you, because once you release another new episode, you'll be notified on your phone that we have published a new episode. Subscription is completely free, all right, for this channel. All right, if you want to get the app is not free. All right, so please pay the price for your success. Pay the price for your success. All right, so that is right. We're going to look at what Introduction to Commerce. So what is commerce? That is the first thing that comes to mind. And we say commerce is the buying, is the selling, is the exchange, and the distribution of what? Goods and services. Okay, the buying, the selling, exchange, and distribution of goods and services. I put that down. Say commerce is the buying, the selling, right? The exchange, all right, and distribution of goods and services. Okay, so you can see the keywords here: buy, sell, exchange, and then distribute. Okay, so that is commerce. The buying, the selling, the exchange, and distribution of goods and services. In summary, all right, we can say commerce is what? Is trade, okay, and aids to trade. You can say commerce is trade. Commerce is trade, okay, and aids, or we call them what? Auxiliary or ancillary to trade. All right, so you know what trade is. All right, so a lot of you have traded something before. Okay, so you got something for you bought let's say you bought a shoe and it does not size you. Okay, so you look for someone that is size. Okay, please, this shoe I got, it doesn't size me. All right, please, can you get it so that I can get the one that fits me? All right, so of course you exchange. The person gives you, how much will you sell it? I'm going to sell it for so and so amount. Person gives you the money, you give the person the shoe. That is what trade. You have traded something. So commerce is what? Buying. So you bought something, then you sold. All right, from this example I gave, and then you exchange, okay, goods and services. All right, that is what commerce. So we say commerce is trade and aids to trade. Aids to trade or ancillary to trade. We're talking about how goods, what facilitates essential things that are needed for goods to move from the point of production to the point of consumption. Because goods that are produced has to be consumed. Okay, a farmer who produces, let's say, 1 million tubers of yam, he and his family cannot finish it. Even if they finish it, would they not need other things? So they will need to sell. They need to move those things from the point of production down to the point where people will need them. All right. So anything that aids or facilitates or whatever is essential for the movement, okay, of goods and services from the point of production to the point of consumption is what we call ancillary, or we call aids to trade. All right. So there are a lot of factors. I'm going to look at them when we start talking about division of commerce. All right, so this is what commerce say is trade, and an ancillary to trade. It can also be all the activities. We can say commerce is all the activities involved in the distribution of an exchange of goods and services. All activities involved. Okay, we can say commerce can also be defined. Okay, defined as all the activities okay, involved in the exchange and distribution of goods and services. Okay, so you can also say what commerce can also be defined as what? As the activities, okay, involved in the exchange and distribution of goods and services. All the activities that are what involved, okay, in the exchange and distribution of goods and services is also what commerce. So commerce is the buying, selling, exchange, and distribution of goods and services. We say commerce is what is trade and is or ancillary to trade. We also say commerce can also be defined as all the activities involved in the exchange and distribution of goods and services. So, in other words, you can say commerce is a branch of production. Commerce is a branch of production that is concerned with the distribution, exchange of goods and services, and all the factors or activities that facilitates trade. Okay, so you can say commerce is also what? The branch of what? Of production that is concerned with the distribution, exchange of goods and services, and all the factors and activities which are facilitating what? Trade. That what? Facilitate what? Trade. Okay, commerce is a branch of production that is concerned with the distribution and exchange of goods and services, and all the factors, all of them, as I'm going to see in the ensuing what episode, all the factors or activities that facilitate what? Trade. So this is what commerce is. So you can define commerce in so many ways. Okay, so but you have to know the central theme. The central theme in commerce, there's buying, there's selling, there's trade. In commerce, there's what? There's trade. Okay, there's exchange. All right, so commerce is buying, selling, exchange, distribution of goods, and we're going to see past question right now from the O3SCHOOLS JAMB app. Okay, see past question, read JAMB past question, so that at the time we'll continue to answer this question. Past question will be like something playful for us because we're already used to answering them every time. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. So commerce is trade, aids or ancillary to trade. Commerce can also be defined all the activities involved in the exchange and distribution of goods and services. Commerce is a branch of production that is concerned with distribution, exchange of goods and services, and all the factors or activities that will facilitate what? Trade. If you see all of them, the definition all look very, very, very similar. All right. So I'm going to take questions now, and then the next episode I'm going to look at functions of commerce. Okay. So let me grab my app. I'm grabbing my app right now, and of course, I have my application here. Okay, I'm launching the O3SCHOOLS JAMB. Like I said, the app is all you need to succeed in your exam. It has all the past questions you can ever need for JAMB, for all the subjects in one application. Okay, there's a classroom feature where there are lecture notes and you can take tests according to the JAMB syllabus. Okay, there's also question search feature. You can search for questions. That's what I did now on the app. I search for questions that have to do with what is commerce or what commerce is about, and then all the questions are commerce. Some of the few questions are just screenshotted for us to answer in this episode. Okay. Likewise, there's UTME challenge. That one, you don't miss it for any reason. The UTME challenge, you must participate. Participate because it's very, very useful. You are going to be winning prizes every week Saturday. It's a mock challenge. So you are participating with every other JAMB. Okay, you are winning what? Prizes. Apart from winning prizes, you are also getting used to how JAMB said that question. You are getting used to how to answer JAMB questions. Okay, and of course, you are building your confidence. You'll be seeing your results released. So every week you will see your results released. You participate, you see your results. So that will make you gauge your preparation for the exam. Very, very good. And your confidence will be building. Trust me. The app, everything for the app on the app is just 3,000 naira. So you pay once and for all. All right. So after downloading the app, click on activate, at the top, you find buy activation key. There you will see how to activate your app. All right, now let's quickly jump to the past questions. Let's see some of the questions. So this is 1999 number 2. Okay, question 2, 1999 question 2. Okay, so commerce makes it possible. It's being displayed on your screen right now. Commerce makes it possible for man to live in a complex and organized society. B, society characterized by subsistency. C, society characterized by dependency. D, simple and organized society. And the correct answer there is a complex and organized world society, because the society is very, very complex. Okay, but it's the aid of commerce and the aids to commerce that we're able to live as if it's not complex. Okay, it makes it easier for man. Okay, so let's say a farmer in a thick bush plants yams. Okay, and then he hires a transport service that goes to work, bring those yams to the town for people to work to buy. It's easy. Instead of you to now trek from the town to go and meet that man inside the bush, transportation as well brought it. So it's very, very easy. So it makes man to live. Okay, despite we're in a complex society, commerce makes it possible for man to live in that kind of society. Then number 2, we have 2008 number 1. They say an aspect of commerce that facilitates the distribution of products. That should be what? Transportation. We don't even need to even see the options. Okay, A, they say transportation. B, they say advertising. C, branding. D, trading. And the correct answer there is what? Is transportation, because that's what makes it easy for goods to move from one place to another. It facilitates the distribution of products. Then let's see another question. It's a 2010 number 1. 2010 number 1, a very, very simple question that some weary used to fail. Okay, so please expect kind of questions. All right, even the year I wrote JAMB far back. Okay, I saw this kind of question under my what was that? What subject was that? It was chemistry. Okay, they say, what subject are you sitting for? Okay, this is a 2010 question number 1. What subject are you sitting for? And it's what? If you are writing commerce, you have to shade commerce. If you're on commerce and that question is asking commerce, don't go and shade English or shade another subject or government. Okay, shade commerce. So the correct answer there is what? Is commerce. So this is a 2015 question number 9. 2015 question number 9. Buying, they say, selling and distribution of goods and services are components of what? Buying, selling, and distribution of goods and services are components of what? Of commerce. A, they say retail trade. No. B, they say commerce, which is very correct. C, wholesale trade. No. D, marketing. Correct answer there will be commerce. All right. So these and many more questions are on this app. Please like this video, download this app, subscribe, activate, and keep studying. Your life depends on this study. Keep studying like your life depends on it. All right, and you see yourself doing very, very well. Some of you say, I don't understand again. I don't understand. I read, but I don't study. Pin your bomb in one place and study. And of course, you will do very well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next class.